Afifa from Indonesia.
Okay, thank you, Sheikh. So I wanna ask, I used to have a wound on my leg that made it difficult for me to bend it for sujood. Then I choose to salat with sitting from takbir to salam. And I did that for about a week.
Why?
Even though I was...
Why?
Even though... because I cannot to bend it for sujood.
Why? Why can't you bend for sujood? Do you have a problem, medical problem in your back?
Yeah, because I have a wound on my leg.
You have what?
Wound.
You have a wound on your leg.
Yes.
Okay, so your question?
And then even though I was actually able to pray with standing, and then recently I got an explanation from some scholars who said that if the case is like mine, then I must not have chosen to pray sitting down from the beginning if I was still able
I understand your question. A person who is unable to make sujood, prostration, due to an injury in his knee, but he's kept on praying for a whole week sitting down. He can't stand up, but instead he sat down and prayed the whole week sitting down, thinking that this is permissible. The prayers are all invalid, and you have to repeat the prayers of a full week, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.